Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how you can amend a purchase order. So in order to amend a purchase order, you need to go in transaction module. So on your left hand side, you will see transaction module option. Please click on this. Now, this is one of my purchase order which I have created. So I need to go ahead and amend this purchase order and make changes in it. I will click on purchase order. Now, on your right hand side, in very top, you will see option of other action. Please click on this. Here, you will see option of amend. Please click on amend. Now, it will ask for the confirmation. After confirming it, this is my purchase order format which will get opened. So in this purchase order, I want to add one new item. So what I will do, I will just go ahead and put the raw material 3 here and make changes. I will just put the quantity. So this is of 30 kg. All the details are coming from my inventory as because I have set up the masters. Also, I will select the tax. So yeah, so please check. Accordingly, you can make changes in the fields like Indian number, payment term. So I will put payment net 30, kind attention test. So you can make changes. You can add extra charge option by amending the PO. Few details which you cannot amend, like your company details, your particular transaction timeline, or in the currency document number. So these are some of the fields where you cannot make the changes. So this is one of my new item which is added. After that, I need to save and send this in order to get it reflected. So I will click on save and send, and accordingly my PO will get created. So this is how you can use the amend option and can create the PO or update the PO. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in amending PO. Have a good day ahead.